I got an email from a homeowner who was able to salvage her neighbor's pocket door, and in her house, she has the opening to receive it, but some parts are broken. She has a broken wheel assembly and a broken door plate that mounts to the top. So we could go online and try and find the parts and pieces there, but who knows exactly what we're going to get in the condition that we're going to get it in and how much is it going to cost. We could go to local salvage yards and try and find the pieces, but that takes a lot of time to go from shop to shop. But luckily, I know a contact that lives in Boston, and he specializes in pocket doors, and he had exactly the parts that we need. So I picked them up from him. We're going to see if we can get this door rolling. Now, these old doors are extremely heavy, so I've asked my dad to come with me and help me hang the door in place. Hi, Barbara.
Hello.
Thanks for having us. This is my dad, Bill.
Hi, welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome.
This is a beautiful home you have here.
Yeah, built in 1890. It's got a lot of old features. This is why we selected it. One feature we'd like you to take a look at.
The pocket door?
Yes.
Let's take a look.
So we bought this house a number of years ago, and my husband found out that this false paneling here.
Okay.
Found out that we had a pocket, but no door.
No door.
However, luckily, my neighbor did some renovations and actually gave us their pocket door, which is right here.
So now you have a door.
Yeah.
But you sent me some pictures of broken parts and pieces. Luckily, I have a friend who is a pocket door specialist, and he was able to get us all the parts and pieces that we need. I have those out of my truck. I'll go grab them. I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you.
This is the exact pocket door hardware that you need to get your door rolling.
Oh, great. Is it the original?
Yeah, you can see the patent date was 1881, so it's pretty old stuff.
Wow.
Around the 1850s, they started introducing pocket doors to homes. A lot of those would have been rolling on a track on the floor. But around the 1880s, they started introducing overhead tracks, and that's what you have. You have these big cast iron rollers, a lot of detail in this.
Yeah, we have this door plate that mounts on top, slides together with these pins, and locks together with this locking screw.
And this is all we need.
This is all we need. We bought one wheel assembly, door plate, and 2 screws. But before we do anything, we should take dimensions on the door and make sure it fits.
Great, yes.
So luckily for us, most of these pocket doors were made to be worked on. Hopefully we have a demi pocket back here behind this trim. I looked up there in the void, and I even put a tape back there. I have about 10 inches. But to access that, I need to remove 3 pieces of trim, the left, the right, and then we'll remove the center. Once we have that opened up, hopefully that gives us a big cavity that we can get the pocket door swung into before we tuck it back in the other side. All right, so as we look up and down this trim, you can see these little finish nails. So we're gonna work our way down, and we're gonna set all of those first with this punch. And what I did is I put a little mark on my punch right here. I set it to the depth of the trim piece so I know when I'm about done setting that nail head through. Now that we have all these finish nails punched through, I need to break this seal that the paint has formed over the years. Remove that. All right, now we can get a good look at our demi pocket here. We actually have this block that's on the back side of the strike plate. That's fine. We can take this out and then reinstall it later. Looks like we have about 8-10 inches of depth, so we'll be able to get that door in there. Okay. So I think next we should take these old rollers out. We'll put our new stuff in, and then we'll turn our efforts to the door.
Okay, excellent.
That one. There's the broken one. I'll take the new one. Okay, got it. Take the old complete one. All right, looks good.
All right, I'm gonna start taking off this broken door plate. Do you want to cut me 2 pieces of that sill seal?
Got it.
That sill seal will work perfect as a little gasket in between the top of the door and the door plate. Because over the years, these rails and stiles have contracted quite a bit, and now we have about a 16th inch gap. It's got some character to it, huh? All right, tilt that side up. Okay, tilt this side up. All right, give it some pitch. I have to slide it back towards you guys a little bit on the bottom. A little more, a little more. Okay.
Now that the door is hung, we're going to level it by tightening and loosening the adjustment screws as needed.
Now I'm going to put some white lithium grease onto the rollers that are rolling on the bracket, so that way they'll glide nice and smooth. All right, Barbara, what do you think?
Oh my God, that's awesome. I love it.
I'm really happy that you were able to salvage this door from your neighbor.
And thank you so much for restoring a piece of this house's history.
Anytime.
It really came out beautiful.
Yes, it did. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for writing in.
Yes.
Take care.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.